Hey folks, welcome back to Little Robin's Nest. I have some teeny tiny blind boxes to open today. These tempura sushi shrimp cats really caught my eye, and they're super small, which is extra cute. I only have 3, so I won't be able to complete the set, but all of the options are cute. I'm gonna be happy with anything. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this one's sort of wearing a tempura shrimp around its waist. Little paw prints. Beans for toes. Okay, next one. I don't really like how the bag is see-through, but okay, this one's holding a shrimp tempura, and it's a different color of cat. Nice pattern on the cat. More beans for toes. Last box. I kind of hope it's a tempura one and not a plain shrimp, so they all kind of match. A dupe? Okay, well, 2 can be twinsies and 1 can just hang out in the middle. Pretty cute. Thanks for stopping by the nest. I'll see you folks next time.